Hello, dear students. Once again, you are welcome in this online session of classes. So, we are doing unit number 2 of our course, that is regression. And the next topic of the chapter is line of regression of y on x. Let y is equals to a plus bx be an equation represents the straight line of y on x, where we can say that y is dependent upon x. So the residual of y on x is given by ei is equals to yi minus a plus bxi. Now by definition of residuals, that is if we just square and find the sum of the residuals, then e is equals to summation of ei square. Let's put this value of ei from this equation in this. Then it will become e is equals to summation of yi minus a plus b into xi whole square. So the necessary condition for e to be minimum is just partial differentiation of e with respect to a as well as partial differentiation of e with respect to b is equals to 0. So if we just find out the differentiations of this equation e with respect to a and b equals and put equals to 0, then the equation will becomes summation of xi yi is equals to a into summation of xi plus b into summation of xi whole square, and after differentiating it partially with respect to b and putting equals to 0 will give the equation summation of yi is equals to b into summation of xi plus na. So these two equations are known as normal equations we have seen in the previous topic. Now after solving these two normal equations, we will get the following values of a and b. The value of a will be yi bar minus b into xi bar, and the value of b will be equals to n into summation of xi yi minus summation of xi into summation of yi whole upon n into summation of xi square minus summation xi whole square. After getting these values of a and b, we will find out the final equation which represents the regression of y upon x, that is yi bar is equals to a plus b into xi bar. Hence, the straight line y is equals to a plus bx passes through the point x bar comma y bar. Putting a is equals to y bar minus bx bar in the above equation, which is a plus bx is equals to y, we will get y is equals to y bar minus bx bar plus bx. We have substituted the value of this a in this equation. We will get, after solving it, we will get y minus y bar is equals to b into x minus x bar, which is known as regression line of y on x, where a and b is where only b is termed as regression coefficient. Okay, this is the final equation which represents the regression line of y on x, where b is termed as regression coefficient. Now let's do an example. Find the regression line of y on x for the following data. The value of x and y are 1, 2, 3, 4, and the corresponding values of y are 12, 14, 17, and 18. So we know the equation of regression line is, we have seen in the just previous topic, y minus y bar is equals to b into x minus x bar, and b is evaluated by b is equals to n into summation of x into y minus summation of x into summation of y upon whole upon n into summation of x square minus summation of x whole square. Since we are having the values of x and y, we will tabulate this data. The values of x are this. Now after that we can find out the values of x square. Just square the values of x, as the square of 1 is 1, square of 2 is 4. So let us square these values of x, which gives 1, 4, 9 and 16. So also adding these values, summation x gives 10, summation x square is equals to 30. The values of y are 12, 14, 17, 18. So x into y, just multiply the values of x with y. So 1 into 12 gives you 12, 2 into 14 gives you 28, 3 into 17 gives you 51, and 4 into 18 gives you 72. Now let's sum these values. That's it. That is summation of x into y is equals to 163. So here's the remaining solution, where n equals to 4 means number of observations are 4. After that, let us find out b. Let us put the values of summation of x into y, summation of y, summation of x square, and summation of x whole square in this. So we have substituted these values. After solving it, we will get the value of b as 2.1. Also in the regression line equation, we need the values of x bar and y bar. X bar means mean of the values of x. Y bar means mean of the values of y. So x bar is found out by summation of x upon n. So 10 by 4 gives you 2.5, and summation of y upon n, that is 61 upon 4, gives you 15.25. Now as the equation is y minus y bar is equals to b into x minus x bar, y bar is 15.25, substituted, b is 2.1, we have substituted, and x bar is 2.5, let's substitute that. Now multiply this equation, this right hand side, 2.1 to this bracket. Now solving this equation, we will get the final equation of regression of y upon x as y is equals to 2.1x plus 10. That's the final required equation of regression of y on x. Okay, so with this we will end our session. Thank you and have a nice day.